Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I've got an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be delving into the world of SOCKSIPTUNNEL VPN and how to seamlessly import UDP configs. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. Now, let's get started. Preparation note. But before we begin, ensure you've already downloaded the UDP request for SOCKSIPTUNNEL config files by checking out my previous video. The link is conveniently provided below in the description. Now, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Installing SOCKSIPTUNNEL VPN. First things first, head over to the Play Store and download SOCKSIPTUNNEL VPN. Once it's installed, launch the app and you'll find yourself on the home screen, ready for the next steps. Step 2. Accessing menus. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 dots to unveil a list of menus. This is where the magic happens. Step 3. Importing configs. From the menu, select Import, Export. A new menu will gracefully appear. Now, tap on the Import button to kick off the process of importing the config file you've crafted earlier. Step 4. Navigating to the Download folder. You'll be directed to the default folder, but we need to navigate to the Download folder. Scroll through and choose your file. Simply tap on it to initiate the import. Step 5. Connecting the VPN. Once the file is imported successfully, it's time to take the final step. Tap on the Start button to connect the VPN and unleash the power of your newly imported UDP configs. And there you have it, folks. Importing UDP configs on SOCKSIPTUNNEL VPN is now a walk in the park with these easy steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.